In this talk, you will learn more about strategies for how to obtain circularity. The talk is aimed at students and higher education with no or only limited knowledge about the subject. The talk is developed as part of the project DigiDemo, Digitizing Products, Creating Demonstrators for Future Education. The project is co-founded by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Union. For additional talks and more information about the DigiDemo-Project, please visit our project homepage, digidemo-project.eu. Adopting the concept of circular economy has the potential to fundamentally change companies. However, most companies need to adapt to the concept through incremental steps rather than through a revolution. One way is to focus on the existing and explorative change things to obtain a higher level of circularity. In this talk, we will focus on strategies for obtaining a higher degree of circularity in terms of a company's existing product, hence its parts and materials. After this talk, you should be able to identify and explain different strategies for obtaining circularity with focus on a company's existing product, including its parts and materials. In this talk, we will divide the strategies into three levels: avoid, maintain, and recycle. We will mainly focus on maintaining and recycling, as the first level, avoiding, essentially focus on avoiding or refusing product, as the most sustainable products are the ones never produced. However, this talk focuses on situations where products are needed, hence must be designed. Sustainability is not only about circularity, but also about slowing down the speed of the circle. One way to slow down the speed of the circle is to prolong the life of the products. The potential and possible strategies will depend on both the product and the area of business. However, in general, the value of a product can be maintained or transformed by upgrading a product, for example with new software or new parts. Or it can be maintained and repaired if needed. Or it can be refurbished or remanufactured, which can be regarded as more than a repair. Lastly, it can be reused or recontextualized, meaning located to a new context providing new value. This can, for example, be machinery moved to another factory because of the arrival of new and more modern machinery at the first factory. When a product is recycled, it is taken apart and its parts and materials are recycled. Recycling can be divided into three categories: up, re, or downcycling, where upcycling means using the parts or material to new products with a greater value. Recycling means using the parts and material to a new product with the same value, potentially the same product. And downcycling means using the parts and materials for new products with a lower value. The aim is, of course, to up or recycle as much as possible rather than downcycle parts and materials, as it means that the part and materials eventually will lose its values and become waste. The textile and clothing industry contains examples of all three categories, for example, upcycling used clothes by turning it into high-end new bag, or recycling the cloth by reselling it, or using the textiles for filling in various products. In summary, the design of product is fundamental to obtaining circular economy. Design can lead to long-lasting product, avoiding making new products, or it can ensure the products can be upgraded, repaired, or reused, or that the parts and materials can be recycled. For additional information, please see the below links.